Yo, what is up, people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. And in this YouTube channel, we post tutorial videos just like this. And in today's tutorial video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Bumble account. So what a Bumble is basically Bumble is like Tinder account where you guys can find for your dating partner or friends. Just like this, you open your Bumble account to sign up into Bumble. If you swipe right, it's gonna say uninterested. If you swipe left, it's gonna say interested. Alright, so I'm not gonna do that right now because the main point of the video is how you guys can delete it. So let's get into the point, alright? But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel if you guys are new to this channel to get notified for our future video. And let's get into the topic to delete your Bumble account. So to delete your Bumble account, you want to click on this profile icon over here. And after you click on it, you want to click on that gear icon at the top. You want to click on it. After you click on the gear icon, also known as the setting icon, you want to scroll down at the bottom until you see the delete button. It's always right beside the logout button, so you guys don't have to get that much confused. You want to click on this delete button, and after you click on delete button, it's going to ask you to type delete over here. So I'm going to type delete. And after I type delete, I want to click on confirm to delete my account, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to click on confirm. Wait for some time, and as you guys can see, my Bumble account is deleted. Now remember, once your Bumble account is deleted, you guys can't recover it. All your data is going to be deleted. So just keep that in mind when you're trying to delete your Bumble account. If that's your final decision, then only delete your Bumble account. And it's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.